will take you to basically what a store looks like, a good store looks like. And that's why I recommend the million dollar theme that we have. And you're gonna be like, yeah, of course it's because it's yours. No, it's because it has all the elements to make money. Okay, look, if I push, it has all the elements ready to make money. It has this, it has the flags, it has the add to cart green, it has the badges, it has the scarcity, it has everything. Customer also bought this, and it has an area for reviews. Okay, so that's your checklist. Make sure that you have a good store. Okay, number 2 is, do you have bundles? Do you have bundles? Okay, bundles makes you more money. Do you need them to start? No, but do you want to make more money right away? Yes. So I created a link here, but basically bundles, guys, when you push with product list Genie, you can say bundles, boom. Everything that we have in product list Genie is geared towards money. That's it, money. Bundles, look, bundles, okay? Checklist number 3 is, do you have a shipping strategy? Shipping strategy. What is a shipping strategy? Okay, so if we go here, if we go here, we add to cart, and we go here to the shipping. Okay, remember the shipping strategy: free shipping, plus shipping, and 1-year warranty. Okay, if you have not done this, watch this link. Okay, do you have a payment method? You have to take payments. So here there's a link for you to set up the payments in Shopify. Okay, PayPal, whatever. Okay, do you have a domain, small domain? Here's a link to create a small domain. But basically, you wanna, for example, for this store, let's see, for this store, Tony's store, I will try to get a domain like, Tony New, 2 words, Tony Love, like that, TonyLove.com, something like that, super small, quick, easy to remember. Okay, not like the store of Tony and Productions. That's not gonna work. Okay, just small, keep it simple, small. Do you have Facebook Ads Manager and fan page? Here is a link if you don't have that. If you don't have this, you cannot create ads. There's 2 videos here. Okay, do you have the pixel setup? The Facebook pixel is very important. Facebook pixel is what tracks your sales. Facebook finds buyers for you. So if you don't have it, watch this video. Now, I created a $3 campaign. Okay, $3 campaign. Basically, test it, do it. It's simple until you understand the rules. Okay, the rules. And basically, all I want you to focus is on 24 hours, which is 1 day. Okay? No link click, no links, no link clicks. Okay? On your ad set, pause. Okay? 48 hours. No add to carts. Pause. And 48 hours. No sales. No, that's 48 hours. That's 72 hours, which is 3 days. No sales. Pause. Okay? And for that, I need you to connect with your coach so you can get, basically this, how to set up your columns. Like, look.
Hello, Genies. My name is Othniel. When you're
So with this columns training, you're gonna be able to see if you have clicks, if you have add to carts, and if you have sales. Okay, it's very important, guys.
Only see the over